Hi, what's up everybody? It's July the 5th and I know I've been slacking on giving the updates in my garden, but we was gone to the mountains for a week. We came back and it's been just unbelievably hot. So I gotta mow the yard eventually, but don't want to get a heat stroke doing it. But let me guys, just let me show you how the garden is coming along after my previous video, and our tomato plants are going crazy. Everything's going crazy since we get back, so here we go. All right, here's my tomato plants. They're a little wilted this morning because the heat's already getting to it. It rained this morning, it beefed them up. Now the heat's really drying them out, but as you can see, we're getting some healthy tomatoes hanging from the vines. Look at those ones. Look at that big boy. And here's my other one here. Healthy looking down there. I believe this one is ready to pick. I'm just gonna double check on it. And there's my, I believe this is my black cherry tomatoes. They may be able to get picked. They're nice and red. And if I come over here to my other cherry tomato plant, look how tall it's got. It is a good over 6 feet tall right now. I had to tie them up this morning because they was laying over. You got some red ones over there. I believe this is my sun golds. So I gotta check and make sure, but I believe those back there are ready to pick. Your beautiful golds. Those two down there is probably ready to pick. Just don't know yet. I need to research it. I don't want to pick them too early, but look at that. All the way up top. Like I say, these tomato plants has taken off. Like I say, in the shade, it feels amazing out here, but once you get step foot into the sun, it's starting to heat up already. We've been dealing with 95, 96 degree heat this past week, so it's been hard to get out here in the garden like I wanted to. But here's a couple more of my plants. Here's my sweet banana peppers. It's growing really good. And right there, I see one blooming up. I can't wait till that puppy gets bigger so I can eat. I am craving some sweet banana peppers. All right, we'll come over here. Here's another one of my sweet banana peppers. It's not doing all that great. It's a small one. And there's one of my tomato plants. It's growing up good. It's got a couple blooms up top. There's another tomato plant there that I started out from like a little clipping. It's not doing all that great. It looks good, but it ain't growing much. This is one of them that I pruned and I stuck in here. I put it in water and let it root it up. So since it rooted up, it's doing really good over the last week. It's gonna be one of those late bloomers. But I'll show you guys my green little plant right here. My green beans. Down in there used to be my little fairy garden. Me and my kiddos started up. As you can see, you can't see, these green beans has taken hold so much. Looking great. Like I say, I gotta try to tie them up, but I'm hoping it eventually does it on its own. And over here is all my pumpkins growing up. That pumpkin plant is taking off. These are taking off. I put something that it could attach to, but it's doing really good. Here's my cucumbers. They looked a whole lot better this morning after the rain, but the heat's getting to it already. But there's another little cucumber right there I got. If I come, where's the other one at? I seen one earlier right there. There's my other cucumber. It's growing, looking really good. Love it, love it, love it. Love, I got a cute couple of them. So I came out here today, I took some strings and it's already attaching hold of it. I came through here and through all these strings all the way down to hope that they attach. That one's trying to already. There's some more strings. There's some more strings. All through here I put strings going straight down and side to side in hopes that they started grabbing a hold of it. If I go right through here, here's my Jack B. Littles. They're looking great. Looking healthy. They've gotten a lot bigger since I last planted them. Last video you guys seen. And then behind it, all that is not grass. That is all corn coming up. So I can get some decorations for my Halloween coming up. Oop. Got a bee chasing me. Awesome. It didn't like me messing with that corn. It's all growing really good. Look at that. And I also got some more white pumpkin seeds. I need to plant. I need to get it started out. Hopefully that's going to be done in time for Halloween. And I got a packet of marigolds coming in. Should be coming in today. And I got another raised garden bed in. I got to put together. And that's where I'm going to plant all my marigolds in. It's going to be, I think it's supposed to be an orange raised garden bed. So those marigolds go perfect in it. But it's just been so hot that I ain't been able to get out here and mess with it like I wanted to. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully the next video will be even better. Everything be more organized. I got to get out here maybe late evenings to be able to really get to my garden like I want to. Oh, these are June bugs running around. So June bugs are flying. That's a monster one down there. Get me distracted thinking I'm about to get stung out here. But guys, I appreciate you watching and appreciate you guys following along on the garden journey of 2024, our backyard garden. Like I say, it's still early in the season. Yes, it is the first week of July, but this stuff is really going to take hold. You already seen some tomato plants that's looking really good. Already sprouting some red tomatoes. You already see a couple of my cucumbers looking good. I can't wait for you guys to start following along on the journey of all the pumpkins growing and banana peppers and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I appreciate you guys that subscribed. Appreciate the guys that liked the video and dropped those comments. But until next time, peace out. Love you guys.